Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Park the charger on level ground and set the parking brake. Block the wheels. Work with the engine running when required by procedure, or off and cool if checking by dipstick models. Wear gloves and eye protection. Have Mopar ATF plus 4 fluid, a 3/8-inch ratchet, a funnel, rags, and a scan tool or digital thermometer ready. Confirm you have a jack and stands if you must access the transmission drain or fill plug from under the vehicle, and keep a drain pan nearby. Start the engine and bring the transmission to operating temperature, then monitor with a scan tool or digital thermometer until the fluid reads between 35 and 50 degrees C for an accurate level check. With the car level and brakes set, locate the transmission fill plug. Many modern chargers do not have a dipstick and require accessing the side fill plug under the vehicle. Remove the fill plug using the appropriate 3/8-inch ratchet or socket while catching any drips with a pan. And be ready to observe the fluid behavior. When the fill plug is removed, proper level is indicated by a light drip of fluid from the fill hole while the transmission is between 35 and 50 degrees C. If you see that drip, the level is correct. If not, add Mopar ATF plus 4 slowly using a funnel or pump, only a few ounces at a time, then recheck until a light drip appears. Avoid overfilling. Replace and torque the fill plug to factory specs. Clean all spilled fluid. Dispose of waste properly and record the date, fluid type, and any ounces added for future maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.